So hello everyone, a very warm welcome and a very good evening guys. My name is Kunal Kapoor and I am the financial expert for the day guys. So I hope you guys are doing good and everything is working fine on your side. And of course, like always, you guys are ready and excited to learn a new strategy. So the name of the strategy we have already mentioned in the description. So the name of the strategy is diving. How you can apply this strategy manually, automatically, we are going to talk about these things. Apart from that, some important topics like money management, risk management, and of course like how we can use this strategy. So we will be talking about everything. But before coming to that guys, just a quick confirmation I'll be looking from your side. I just want to confirm that chat section, the comment section is already active for you. So if you will be finding any difficulties, any doubts, any question, feel free to write me over there. I'll be taking care of all the topics, all the doubts. And in the meantime, please confirm me if my audio and my video is completely clear. Guys, please confirm me if audio and video is clear so we can kick off the session without wasting any time, because I just want to confirm if everything is sorted, so that if anything is required, I will do them on the priority, just to make sure that everything is streamlined in the coming session, throughout the session. So guys, please give me a quick confirmation. Okay, so thank you so much Avinav, thank you so much. Perfect, very nice. So guys, welcome again, thank you so much for joining. My name is Kunal Kapoor. I am the financial expert for the day. I will be helping you with all your trading concerns. If you talk about these sessions, so Olymptrade is used to conduct live sessions every now and then. This is one of them. So if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of the family. So every now and then, whenever we will be coming live, so you will be getting a notification. With the help of these sessions, we are trying to reach out to our traders and trying to help them in their trading concern. So if I talk about the timings, so every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 6:30 to 7:30 Indian Standard Time. The Monday session is only for quick 30 minutes, because that is on the basis of market overviews. But the Wednesday and the Friday session, that is for the complete 1 hour, where we are talking about different technical tools. So make sure you be part of the family. And without wasting any more time guys, let's kick off the session. So as you guys have already confirmed that my audio and my video is completely clear. So the screen which is visible to you guys, this is the application version which I have downloaded in my laptop. There is a possibility that some of my friends, they are using the mobile application, so the interface might be different, but nothing to worry about that one. Everything is available to each one of you, like all the technical tools which I am going to apply. The interface, the buttons can be here and there, but things are available to you. Okay. And guys, keep on commenting, keep on dropping your text, keep on dropping your doubts. I'll come up to your comments also. So of course I'll be taking care of those things also. Make sure you drop your comments over there. You can see that so many traders have already joined, so of course we can kick off the session. So guys, if I'll talk about that how to apply this strategy, so it's very easy. Just go to this button, technical analysis, just click on that one. A new window is going to pop up like this one. Those who are using the mobile application, the same button is going to be available somewhere on the top. On the top you will be able to see your account balance. Just below that the asset name is there, and just right to that the name of the same icon in the shape of alphabet A, English alphabet A, you will be able to see your technical analysis button. Once you click on that one, click on strategies, scroll a bit down, and here you go. The name of the strategy is visible, which is mentioned in the description also, diving. These two green lines, these are stating that this is an advanced level strategy, name of the strategy. These two buttons are stating that on which trading mode you can use. So this can be used for FTT, which means to say fixed time trading, and FX, which means forex. Like there are some strategy which are only for FTT and some only for forex, but this can be used for both. And don't take it like it is an advanced level strategy, so experts should use it or not. Guys, understand one thing: whichever strategy is like you are able to get a hold on, that should be your most friendly strategy, or that should be your favorite strategy, because all in all we are trying to make some profits on the platform. So it doesn't matter whether I'm using a advanced level, starter level, or the expert level. When I just started the session, so you might have observed that I was using sliding on average. That is a starter level strategy. So it's not depending on the strategy which you are using, like, or for which level it is. It's all about that how you are using it. Once you click on the strategy, a small description video is there, introduction video is there. For now, no need to bother yourself. Of course, I am here to guide you with all your concerns, but in case in future if you forget anything, if you want to revise anything, so this could be the one of your choice from where you can revise everything. In the meantime, I'll confirm one more thing, that all the sessions which we are conducting, we are keep on saving all the videos on this YouTube channel itself. So you can search in with the name of their language we are having. So we have playlist in English, Hindi, Thai, Portuguese, Spanish, Arabic, everything. So this video will be available in English playlist. A small introduction that how to use this strategy is also available. One indicator which is SMA, simple moving average, and two oscillators which is a rate of change we are going to use here. Even though that is only one oscillator, but we are considering it as two because we are going to use two different frequencies. If anything is getting confused, nothing to worry about, just stay connected. I am going to explain each and everything. Okay, so guys, once I'll click on the enable strategy, as you can see that SMA is also visible on my screen and two ROC, rate of change, are available. Moinji, I request you, please do not spam the comment section, because there might be some traders, those who want to have a conversation with me, and that will be hard for me to keep on scrolling and finding their comments. So I request you, a very warm welcome to you, Moinji. Hello, I hope you are doing good, and I am sure that I have replied your hello. Guys, just drop your comments, drop your messages, drop your doubts. I'll be coming to your doubts as well. Nothing to worry. I'll take each and every comments. I'll try my best to cover everything. But before coming to that, I just want to give you a quick introduction about this strategy, that how this strategy works. So far we have talked about that how this strategy can be applied automatically. Now just a quick introduction that how to apply the same strategy manually. Like, there might be some traders, those who are on starter level, and this strategy might be locked for them. So guys, do not need to buy the strategy. I'm repeating myself, do not need to buy the strategy. I will be telling you that how this strategy can be applied manually. Matt Gaming ji, please do not spam. Moinji, the same request for you, because there might be some traders, those who want to talk about some another concerns, so that will be hard for them. Just a moment. Okay, let's talk about. Okay, so if you want to apply this strategy manually, just the same, all you just need to follow the same process. Click on the technical tools, just directly go to the search section, type SMA. So in this strategy we need the SMA frequency with the 20. Click on SMA. By default the frequency is 20, so no need to change anything. Again, click on the add more tools, click on just type rate of change. See, in this one we need two frequency, one is 14, second one is 7. So 14 is already there. Again, click on add rate of change, but this time just click on this one and change the frequency to 7, and make sure you change the color also. So that will be more easy for you to differentiate that which ROC is with which frequency. Just click on the back button, not on the remove or reset or close. Just click on the back button, click on 3 dots, save strategy, and you will be able to use the strategy for free of course. So guys, I am repeating myself, all the strategies which we are discussing majority of time on this session, during the session, so all of them can be used, and apply manually as well. So no need to buy anything. Okay, so far I believe everything is clear. I have talked about that how to apply this strategy manually and automatically, but still if you will be having any doubt, feel free to write me in the comment section. Now just a quick overview that how this strategy works. So it's very easy. We will start from the top to bottom. So as you can see that there is a SMA line with the frequency of 20, and that is keep on moving in the middle of chart. Sometimes the candles are below this line and sometimes these are on the upper side. So whenever you will find that these candles are getting generated just below the chart, so these will give this might give you an indication that market can go into the downward direction. Guys, I'm repeating myself. I'm not saying that market will go, I'm stating market can go. Because see, understand one thing guys, all the strategies, everything is based on some mathematical calculations. These are some technical tools which are based on some mathematical calculation. So 100% accuracy is not promised and not assured. So considering that thing, we should also work on our money management and risk management. These are the technical tools which will help you to understand that how the market can react. So in this strategy, when you will find that these candles are getting formed just below the SMA line, so market can go into the downward direction. If it is vice versa, that these are on the upper side of the line, SMA line, so market can go into the upward direction. So this is the first confirmation which we are going to get with the help of this strategy. Now let's talk about the second one. So here you can see that there is a SMA 14 and SMA 7, ROC 14 and ROC 7. In both of them there is a level with the number with the numeric value of 0. This one and this one. This is this can be considered as a mid level also, and you can see, you can observe that there are some bars, or let me make both of them same to same, so that will be more easy for you to understand. So see, in both of them you can see that there are some bars on the upper side of 0, sometimes they are on the bottom side, but sometimes they are contradicting. Like on this one the bars are on the upper side of 0, but in this one they are on the bottom side. So these are some contradicting situations. So on these situations we will not be taking trades, but when you will be finding the same situation, same relation in both of them, so these are going to give you the signal in the same manner. If these bars are getting generated below the 0 level, so they will say that market can go into the downward direction. Vice versa, if they are on the upper side, they will give you an indication that market can go into the upward direction. And we will wait for the confirmation from both the ROC. It's not like that we will be focusing only on ROC 7 or ROC 14. We will be focusing on both of them. So I'm repeating again. First confirmation will be getting we will be getting with the help of SMA line. If the candles are below the SMA line, market can go into the downward. If the candles are on the upper side, market can go into the upward side. At the same time, if we are getting the same confirmation from the ROC 7 and 14, they are stating also the same thing, that these bars are below the 0 line, the market can go into the downward. If in the upper side, market can go into the upward direction. And it's not like that I have applied this on this specific essay, so you will be able to use only on this one. This the set of rule is same for all the essays. Let me show you some examples also. So at this, on this candle, you can see that the intersection already completed, and the very next candle, this candle started from this level, and that is on the upper side of the SMA. At the same at the same point, you can see that SMA ROC 14 and ROC 7 bars both are on the upper side of 0. On this candle, just prior to that, the ROC 14 was indicating something else, but on this candle, when this candle started, so everything is streamlined as per our strategy. So there was an opportunity to open a trade for upward direction, and vice versa on this point, or consider this one is better. Why? Even though there was a candle just below the SMA line, but let me zoom in. On ROC 14, there was an indication that market can go into the upward side, and there was no indication on ROC 7, but on this candle there was. Now very important question, that what should be the trade time frame for this strategy. So the trade time frame for this strategy should be 2 to 3 candles. I'm not telling anything in the form of minutes, I am talking about in the form of candles. Why? Because if your time frame is 1 minute, so 2 to 3 candles means 2 to 3 minutes. if your chart time frame you are changing it to 2 minutes or 5 minutes, so then multiply the chart time frame with the 2 or 3 to find out your time for the trade. Why I am stating 2 or 3 both of them? Because sometime you will find that you are able to make profit with the 2 minutes in the first half of the day or second half of the day, or when you are starting your day with 2 minutes. Yesterday you were able to make profit with 2 minutes, but today the trades are not going positive. So all you just need to make a slight change, that is with the time frame of your trade, not with the frequencies. Do not need to change, no need to change these numbers. All you just need to change something here. Just change the time frame from 2 to 3 minutes. If you will be able to find some better results, good to go. If still you are facing some losses, try to observe the market, that what is the reason behind that. Try to switch your chart time frame, try to switch your assets, and then move forward. So far guys, I have talked about how to apply manually, automatically, and how this strategy works. If you have any doubt, just drop me a comment. I am just about to come on your comment section, so of course I will be taking care of everything. Just allow me some time. Just keep on bugging me, keep on dropping your text. I am going to cater each one of you, nothing to worry about that one. I am going to spend time on your doubts also, so make sure you drop in your comments. Now we are going to start some live action also. We are going to do some live trading. So but before coming to that guys, some important facts. First one, it's a financial market. There is a possibility of partial and fully loss. Considering that thing, always work on your skill first, learn things, and then start your trading. It's not only about investing money, it's also about investing your time. So make sure you invest your time, learn your skills, brush up them, and then start your trading. First thing. Second thing, all the trades which I have taken in the past, I am going to take in the future during the session. Everything is depending on my own trading skills. I am the one who is responsible for that. And the third thing, even though guys this session is a live, we are talking live, I am going to giving you information live, but still there is a telecast gap which lies between somewhere like 30 seconds to 1 minute. So there is a possibility that the trade which I am going to open right away, that will be visible to you after 30 seconds or 1 minute. So if you will try to do some copy trading, that can lead to some negative results. So guys, humble request, please avoid copy trading. Just learn the strategy. If you will be having any doubts, just ask me. I would love to help you with them. And after that, take the strategy to the demo account. Once you will be able to get a hold on that one, of course you are feel free to take it to the live one. But before that, please avoid copy trading. And if you think that you want to try that how this strategy works, you want to sometimes traders are stating that, sir, when I was using it on demo, that was working fine, but when I took it on live, I was not able to make profit. So let me make it easy for you. Just drop me comments, like whenever you will find that there is a signal in the on the chart on any asset, just confirm me the asset name and the trade direction. Like just suppose you find that there is a signal on Mooch index, so just write Mooch down. I will open the I will try to open the chart at the same time, and I will take a trade on live account, and then we will observe that how it goes. So that will be more easy for you also to understand that whether that strategy is working for you or not. Okay, so guys, please consider these things, and of course you can drop your doubts. I'm just about to open a couple of trades, and then we will be taking care of your comments also. So all we just need to find three situations. First one, the bars should be, these candles should be on the upper side or on the bottom side. So as you can see that there was a very nice signal, all three confirmations were there. We were not supposed to open the trade on this candle. Why? Because these candles were intersecting, or these were touching the SMA line. But on this candle there was an opportunity to open the trade. We missed that. Nothing to worry. We will keep on shuffling our cards, we will keep on shuffling our assets, and we will look forward for some signals. Guys, if you miss any signal, don't get disappointed. It's a market that is going to work throughout the day. So if one signal is missed, of course there might be another one. So wait for the next one, rather than trying to catch a running train and to met with an accident. Avoid doing that thing, because avoiding a negative trade is also a type of a profit, because there is no pressure to recover it, and you do not need to spend your time while recovering those funds. You do not need to get pressurized. You do not need to feel anything like that. So there is a position. So guys, see, intersection completed, the next candle is about to start. Let's see if the market goes into the upward direction. This trade will go into the negative side, nothing to worry. The reason behind that, why this trade is supposed to go into the negative side, even I was not sure about that one, because there was a support level. I'll explain it shortly, nothing to worry about that one. So let me open at least one more trade, and then we will be talking about your doubts, your comments also. Just hardly give me 20 to 20 seconds more, and then I will be opening one position, because see, two confirmations are already there. ROC 7 and ROC 14, both of them have confirmed, but this candle is still touching the SMA line. So I am just waiting for a candle which will be away from this SMA. Let's see if that will be there. Okay, so the next candle is there, the chart on Mahajantra, and I have got all three confirmation. The candle is on the upper side of the SMA. ROC 7 and ROC 14 both are indicating that market can go into the upward direction. I have opened a 2-minute trade. Let's see if that go positive. Let me take some doubts, let me take some comments, and then we will be talking. So first comment is there from Abhinav ji. Ram sir, hope you are fit and fine. Thank you so much for asking, sir, and I am completely fine. We are having this conversation after. Sorry for yesterday's session absent. Nothing to worry about, sir. Abhinav ji, at least I can see that you are quite interested in trading and in learning also. So it's completely fine. And in case if you have missed the session, even yesterday I have talked about the same strategy in Hindi, so nothing to worry about that one. And in the meantime, the same session is saved on the platform, on the channel, so you can watch it there. House of Stories is stating, kindly guide how to control emotion. When I face losses, I urge to recover immediately. I fear it will not recover later. Kindly teach me how to control. House of Stories is a very quick piece of information. This is something like every second trader is struggling with this. This is a psychology that when we are facing some losses, so we have a tendency that to recover it right then and there. But guys, understand one thing. Whenever you are finding that situations are not good for you, like it's not only about trading or it's about everything, just stay calm, take a deep breath, take a break, and understand that why things are not going in your favor. Everything can be understood and can be resolved only and only when you will be calm enough. Second thing, if your 2 trades are not positive, 3 are not positive, 4 are not positive, 10 trades are not positive, then what is the surety that the 11th will be positive? So understand one thing, guys, if your back-to-back trades are going negative, so there is a possibility that there is some data which floated into the market which is affecting your asset or affecting the complete market. As a result, you are facing some negative results. So rather than keep on knocking the same door, if you know that that is not going to get open, so rather than keep on knocking it again and again, try to stay calm. Just move to this demo account, work on that one, that why your strategy is not working properly, why your trades are not going positive. There is a possibility that you need to change some trade, your asset. There is a possibility that you need to change the time frame, or there is a possibility that there is a data which floated into the market, and you will get to know with the help of social media after 10 minutes or 20 minutes. But in case if you will wipe your complete wipe out within that 20 minutes, guys, understand one thing, you will be able to make a profit only in one condition, when you will be having funds in your account. So once you will be having funds in your account, only then and there will be opportunity to make profit. But if your account is zero and market is very favorable, every trade is supposed to go positive, but you do not have funds in your account, that doesn't make any sense at all, because you do not have the chance to grab that opportunity. So rather than wiping out your complete portfolio with the aggression and with the hope that you will be able to recover it right away, hold your funds, hold your horses, and come back again tomorrow. And always, guys, understand one thing, every day is not Christmas, every day is not Diwali, every day is not Eid. So every day is not a profit also. Sometimes there will be some losses. Understand that thing, accept it. whenever you are starting your day, start with the two things. First one, your take profit, how much you want to make. Second one, your stop loss, how much you want to lose. Okay, so guys, so far we have taken like these three trades I have taken in front of you, even though this one also I have taken during the session, but let's consider these three. Let me open this one. Okay, so this is the first, this is the one which we took somewhere near the support and resistance. Rest two trades were positive. Let's try to open a couple of more trades and then I will come back to the comments again. So house of storage and a request to all the traders, guys, come up, start your trading day with the target that how much you want to make and how much you want to lose. Once you touch any one of them, just stop for the day, quit for the day, come back for the next day. Or at least if you think that no, that I want to recover on the same day, then rather than trying in the same session, so the trading is happening in three different time zones: Asian, European and US. So just imagine that you book a profit in Asian, you made some losses in European. Rather than keep on bugging on the same in the same session, take a break and come back in the US session, or vice versa. So like at least take a break for at least 30 minutes or 1 hour or 2 hours and then start your trading again and work on that. And whenever you are starting again start with the smallest amount. Like just imagine that you have lost $100, so that doesn't mean that when you are going to start again, so you will take the next trade with 110 or 120. Start with $1, keep on increasing the amount when you are making some profits, and slowly and gradually you will be able to book some profits. RXT stated that he need a strategy with 5 seconds. RXT, there is a small request that small time trading can be risky, but if you have a great hold on trading, you can follow that time frame, but I'll suggest do not follow that because that is going to be very risky. Smaller the time frame, the higher the risk will be there. But if you want to use, there is one strategy with the name of Smart RSI. You can use that one. That is for this short time frame. But if you talk about me, I am also using that Smart RSI, but if I am applying it for 5-second chart time frame, at least minimum to minimum, I am opening a trade for 3 candles. Every trader is using in their different style. It's my style that how I am using Smart RSI. So for behind every single candle, like 5-second candle, I am opening a trade for 3 candles. So that is going to be 15 seconds. Prashant ji, hello. Zuhaib ji, thank you so much, sir, for your love. Always take larger time frame for better accuracy in the fixed time trading. Exactly, sir. This is something which I am trying to teach, because the bigger the time frame, the lesser the risk is going to be there, and the longer the time duration is going to be there, so you will be able to use your capital for a longer time period. Now just imagine you are taking trade with 5 seconds each, and if in 1 minute if you are taking 10 trades and each trade is worth $1 only, so in 1 minute there is a possibility that you will lose $10. But on the contrary, if you are taking a trade for 2 minutes, so you will be able to use that $10 at least for 30 minutes. So there is a difference between 1 minute and 30 minutes. So if just imagine that there is some data which floated into the market, and as a result you are getting some negative results, so of course you will be able to, you will be wiping out your complete portfolio in a very short span. Okay, so guys, let me show you the mistake which I have done, even though I was also aware. Let me show you. So as I have mentioned that I have tried to catch a running train and I have met with one accident. So this is something which exactly happened just right now in front of you. There was an opportunity to open the trade at the beginning of this candle. If we would have done that one, even though at the end of this candle that trade was supposed to go positive, but even complete candle was also already completed, and we have taken the trade on next candle, and the result is in front of you. So that is what I want to teach you also, that whenever you are taking trade, make sure you are using the fresh signal. The fresher the signal, the better it can provide the result. So rather than trying to take a trade in the middle of signal, so that can lead to some negative results. So please guys, avoid that one. If you miss that, if you miss the opportunity, do not rush. switch the asset, try to find out the signal on some another asset. I'm sure that you will be able to find in next couple of candles or even on the same one. Like if I'll talk about the same, let me show you. So we missed this signal and there is a next signal on this candle at the beginning of this one. So try to avoid such situations, try to avoid that. Okay, so tell me the procedure. Money deposit. Mohammed Ahmed ji, all you just need to go to the payment, select the payment method you want to use, click on the deposit, select the payment method you want to use, or you can just go to the help section, education, help center, trading tutorial. You will be able to find a lot of information in that. Danesh, he's trying to say that he didn't receive his withdrawal. Sir, I request you, please wait for some time. It might be in the processing center of your bank. It will be reflect in your bank account shortly. Guys, please make sure you talk about only your trading concerns, because for your deposit withdrawal verification support is already there, but for trading purpose only I am here available only for 1 hour and almost 30 minutes are already gone. Ashutosh ji, I am so sorry, I am not going to give you signals, but I am going to teach you that how these signals are getting formed. Okay, so one more trade which went into the positive side. Very nice. Let's try with some more. Okay, so there is an opportunity that we can open a trade in the upward direction, but still I will not be opening because almost 30 seconds are gone. We recently faced some negative results. Okay, so here there can be opportunities. So first confirmation we will be getting with the help of this candle. ROC 14 is indicating that market can go into the upward direction, but 7 is indicating something else. So we will be waiting for the confirmation from the both of them. Hardly 8 seconds to go. So of course I will wait on the same asset and then I am looking to open a trade in the upward direction. Okay, so first confirmation, second confirmation, third confirmation, everything is there. Let's see how the market goes. We have opened a trade in Europe composite. No support resistance level are nearby, so hoping that the trade will go into the positive. Okay, so there was a very nice signal which we missed. 3 confirmation was there, first one, second one, third one. The opportunity was there to go into the to take a trade in the downward direction. We missed it, but at least you can understand with the help of the example. So if you have opened a position for 2 minutes or 3 minutes on this candle, of course that was supposed to go into the positive side. Bombay's Place ji, namaste, namaskar. Okay, hopefully you will get your Jesse Nawab. Hello, Jesse. Working days. Dhaneshi, I request you just drop an email to support team at support-hi@olymptrade.com. They will give you complete information, and I can assure you, you will get your money. Nothing to worry about that one. Habercilia, hello. Is this a buy or sell trade? Nicholas, so if you are going to take like if I talk about this strategy, so you can take both the trades whenever these signals are giving you the information about that market can go into the upward side. So up direction, buy. If the market can go into the downward direction, so down. The same manner you can apply this strategy on the forex mode also, but only you just need to change your chart time frame, because in forex the longer the position you are going to hold and the more difference is going to be there. Like just imagine that you are going to open your position somewhere on this level and you are going to close it on this level or this level, so the more profit you will be able to make, but that will be able to achieve only with the long time long time duration. So consider that. Abhinav ji, I'm so sorry, I miss your comment. Taiton ji, hello. How much profit you earn per month, sir? Please share us. Nunavaji, it completely depend on my trading style and it completely depend on my trading skills also. If you talk about my profit, how much I am making, so whatever the target which I am making for 1 month, I am able to achieve at least minimum to minimum 80 to 90% of that. So this is something which I am able to achieve that one, and I am not trading throughout the week. I am trading only on the weekdays. I am not trading on weekends, and also I am just starting my trading day. If you talk about in Indian Standard Time, so I am starting my day at 11 a.m. and just wind up my complete trading somewhere around 6 5 or 6 o'clock. This is these are some exemption situations when I am trading after 7 or after 6, when I am taking some YouTube sessions. Anikeji, it's not about that what is the percentage of accuracy this strategy is giving. It's also depending that how much accuracy you can get. If you talk about my yesterday session, I was using the same strategy. Somewhere around I have opened around 11 to 12 trades, and I believe 10 trades were positive. But that doesn't mean that this strategy is going to give you that much big accuracy. Sometime you will find some negative results also, and it's also depending on your trading skills while using this strategy. There is a possibility that one trader is getting 100% accuracy and the second one will be able to get only 20% of that one. So that is the reason that we are always always suggesting our traders that when you are using any strategy, any new strategy, make sure you practice it on your demo first. So there might be opportunity to open a downward trend trade. Let's see. Okay, so I have opened a trade in the downward direction. Let's see if the market moves in the same direction and we will be able to book some profits. Okay, I'm keep on shuffling the cards and keep on trying to look forward for some signals. I want to open a trade in the upward direction, but I will use a RFT because half of the candle is already completed. Nothing to worry, I have used a RFT, so if the trade will go negative, so of course I am not going to face some losses. Dave Webji, please confirm if the voice is better now. If the strategy was working good with profit, suddenly started to lose, what change should I do? MBG, very nice question. So all you just need to change the time frame of the trade. So initially if you are taking trade for two candles, make it 3 candles. So that doesn't matter what is your chart time frame. So if you have using a 1 minute chart time frame, so from 2 to you can make it 3. If you are using a chart time frame with the 2 minutes, so make it from 4 to 6. So very small change can make a big difference. And if back to back trades are going negative, please switch to the demo account. Just look forward that what can be changed. Or if you think that no, demo is not my cup of tea, this is not something which I am very fascinated with, so try to reduce your trade amount. Just start taking trades with $1, because once you will start getting hold on market, again you will be able to use your capital to make profit. So when you are making some trying to make some tests, you are trying some testing, you are in a testing mode. So rather than investing a big amount, I'll suggest invest a small amount and then come to the conclusion that what exactly need to be changed, and then start increasing the amount. And do not increase the amount drastically. Now just imagine that you are taking trades with $1, make it 1.5, from then make it 2, then make it 2.5, then make it 3. So slowly and gradually at least you will be able to book some profits also, and in the meantime you will be able to grow your account. Okay, so this trade we have there was only one confirmation with the help of ROC 7. ROC 14 was indicating that market can go into the upward direction, but I didn't pay much attention, hoping that it will change the direction and market will go in our favor. Let's see. Okay, so the $20 trade was negative and even the $10 trade was negative. Let's see what can be done. Okay, so again we were stuck in this support level. No worries, no worries, no worries. Let's see, and why what was the reason that why the $20 trade was negative. Okay, so there was a market reversal and market started moving into the downward direction. No worries, another trade for $20 is already in the pipeline, and we are hoping that that trade will go positive and we will be able to recover everything. Nothing to worry. Douglas want to ask me that what strategy I am using currently. So the name of the strategy which I am using currently during the live stream, that is the diving strategy. I missed the video. Vishalji, nothing to worry, just scroll it back, you will be able to check it from the starting. You are going to post it, of course we are going to post it, so that is going to be saved on the platform, on the channel. Hello Shivam ji, hello Smart Kids video. Sir, how can a beginner trade perfectly and make profit? Timothy ji, small request, spend your some time, start investing time on the platform before start making investment of money. Once you will be able to grab a hold on market, that how the market is working, only then you will be able to make profit. And if you want to learn this strategy, if you want to learn about the if you want to improve your technical tools, your strategies, let me give you some more insights. First one is this YouTube channel, so make sure you subscribe the channel before you close the session. So every now and then, whenever we will be coming live, you will be able to get in touch with us. Apart from that, go to the help section, explore these two buttons, help center and education. You will be getting a lot of information, guys, a lot of information, and that can help you to improve your skill. Apart from that, if you want to do some extra works, extra homework, there is a website, you can note it down. The name of the website is Investopedia. I am repeating myself, is Investopedia. Go to the search bar, start your trading learning with price action. Just type price action, understand what is it. After that, you can move to the candle patterns, chart patterns, and slowly and gradually you will see that you will be able to make some profits. And if only and only if you can get a hold on price action only, and you practice it properly, trust me guys, you will find that you will be you are able to book a nice profit on your composites. But again, I am repeating, it's not like that you learn this price action and you will be able to make profit. You have to practice it. And on composites, you will you can check that what is your accuracy before learning that and after learning that. You will find a difference. Okay. Sir, what is ROC and SME line? Sir, ROC is a rate of change. That is in a simple layman language, it is indicating that what changes are there in the market. So we are using two frequencies, ROC 7 and ROC 14. These both of them, there is a base level, mid level with the help of 0. So if these bars are on the upper side, these are going to indicate that market can go into the upward side. If they are on the bottom side, market can go into the downward direction. That's how ROC are going to help you. On the meantime, SMA is simple moving average, that is going to help you in like whenever these candles are on the upper side of the SMA line, so market can go into the upward direction, and vice versa, these candles are on the bottom side, market can go into the downward direction. But make sure when you are taking trade, like this is my style to use this strategy. So when I am finding a candle which is away from the SMA, which is not even touching the SMA, I am opening the position on that candle. I am not taking trades on such type of candles, like which are intersecting. Okay. So two trades we have opened so far. Sir, please look for my statement. I lost in fixed time. I'm from UAE. Sir, please reply. I lost, as I said. I'm so sorry, sir. I'm sorry to hear about your losses, but please understand, work on your technicals, work on your fundamentals, spend some time, invest some time. I'm sure that you will be able to recover everything. And guys, I want to share one more piece of information, that is something which is very useful. And like there is a service, as you can see that we are conducting some live sessions on YouTube. So something similar to that, we are also conducting Zoom sessions. Me and my team, we have a team of some analysts, so we are conducting Zoom sessions where we are contacting our traders personally for quick 30 minutes. That is going to be a video conversation where we will be sharing our screen, talking about different technical tools, strategies, market news, market updates to help you in your trading concerns. And the best part of these things, that first one, all the sessions are going to be free. Second thing, sessions are going to be one-to-one and two-way communication. So if you will be having any doubt and question, you can ask them then and there. You can talk to them. So if you will be having any questions, you can ask them. They are going to help you with that. But for that one, all you just need to fulfill one condition: you need to work on your status on the platform. Majorly, that service is only for the expert level holder. But in case if you manage to reach to the advanced level, at least advanced level, you will be able to take one session in a month, and that is also going to be free of cost. And in case if you manage to reach to the expert level, but you didn't got that opportunity, you didn't got that service, and so consider one thing, guys. Make sure you update your contact number. Just go to the settings, click on the contacts, update your contact number over there, so only then we will be able to give you a call. In case if you your contact number is updated but you didn't got the call or you missed the call, because we are calling with the sometime we are calling with the Birmingham number which is starting with +44, and you find that that is an international call, so you missed it or you skipped it, or because of any technical issue or any application in your mobile, that call dropped in got dropped into the spam part, and you were not you were not able to connect to us. Just do me a favor, guys, avoid sharing any personal details in the comment section. Just connect with the support team, drop them a request that this is my trader ID, this is my account contact number, I need some help in trading, please raise a callback request. Make sure you share all these details only with the support team. Please avoid sharing such details in the comment section. Share it with the support team. They will forward that request to my department. Someone from my department, we will come into the picture, we will get in touch with you, and we will line up session for you. And again, I am repeating myself, all the sessions are going to be free of cost, no need to pay anything ever to anyone. Okay, so our back to back trades are going negative. Let's see what can be done, what changes can be made. Okay, so for this one I believe there was a possibility to change the time frame. For this one there was a market reversal, even though 7 o'clock is already there, it's already 7 o'clock, US market is already open, so I was expecting some volatility, nothing to worry. But let me make a change, let me change the time frame from 2 minute to 3 minute, and then now I will try to open next couple of trades with higher time duration. Let's see if that works for us. Okay, so I'm keep on shuffling the cards, I'm going to work on that one, and if I'll find any signal, I'll be opening a trade. Amritpal ji, hello, how are you? So guys, I am trying to take some comments side by side also. Okay, so there is no signal, one signal is there, but ROC 7 is indicating something else, that market trend can be different. There was an opportunity to open a trade on this candle, but we missed it. Or we can open a trade on this coming candle. Why? Because the ROC 7 was indicating something else. So once we will be getting confirmation from all three, only then we will consider that that is a complete signal. See, there was a signal, very nice signal, we missed it, but at least you can find the practical example. And guys, I am opening back to back trades because I want to show you that how this strategy works, but for you there are no such conditions. So rather than taking back to back trades, when you just wait for the result, if the trade is positive, work on your money management, increase your capital slowly and gradually if you want to. It's not recommended that you have to increase, but if you want to increase it with the help of money management. On the other hand, if the trade is negative, then again work on your risk management and then calculate the next trade amount, then open your position rather than opening back to back position with the same amount. Okay, so I'll wait for on this asset if any signal is going to be there, and in the meantime I will take some. I have sent my monthly report to you. Did you gonna through it? Any suggestion? Abhinav ji, I am so sorry. I saw your email, but I was not able to check that thoroughly. But I will try my best. I will just have a look on the same, and I will revert you for sure. I'm so sorry for the delay. My diving screen is different. Vishal ji, the screen is going to be same. All you just need to. Okay, so there is a possibility that you haven't changed this to the bars. So what I have the changes I have made. So initially it was like this, or that was the filled one. But I have switched to this one, to the bars. So make sure you if you want to make some changes, you can make, that is completely fine. Okay, so there is a resistance level. Let me open a trade in the upward direction. Guys, there is a resistance level also, so I am expecting that market might bounce back, and that is happening because it happened thrice, like 1, 2, and this is the third example. Okay, no worries. I do not have red line indicator below, sir. All I have just changed the color, so it's completely up to you. You might be getting this color. Okay, so I have just changed the visualization, nothing else, everything is same. Let me just make it a bit more darker also. Okay, so now these are more visible to you. Okay, so what indicators are you using? Janice, I am using ROC 14, ROC 7 and SMA. If you do not want to apply it manually, just go to the strategy and select the diving strategy. Still, if you have any question, just scroll the video back, you will be able to get complete information over there. Okay, Santoshji, very good evening. How are you? Road Banerjee, you want to know that how this strategy works on forex. So all you just need to change the trading mode to the forex, and all you just need to change the time frame from 1 minute to at least minimum 30 minute or 1 hour, and on that basis you can open your position. So like just imagine that if 1 hour is there, so once you will be able to find one opportunity that like the same signal is there, then open a position in the upward direction or in the downward direction with the help of like something like this one. And when you will start finding that the ROC is having the maximum length in forex, you can focus on one thing also, that when you when to close the position. So when you will find that the ROC is on the maximum length, so if I'll just zoom it out, so this is the maximum or this is the maximum. So at this level you can close the position, because after that there is a possibility that market will start recovering itself. So that is the reason that you need to focus on that part also. In forex, not only the opening the position is the important point, closing the position at a correct time is also something which you need to focus on. Okay, so I am going to open a trade in downward direction for 3 minutes on this asset. I am just going to wait for quick 25 seconds. Shivanji, I am so sorry, we are not giving any signals on Telegram. We have a Telegram page where we are just giving some information about the market news or market updates, but we are not giving any signals. I am so sorry for that. We are only teaching that how these signals are working, how you can generate the signal and how you can use them, but we are not telling that when to open a trade in upward or downward, because sometime you need to trade like during the midnight or afternoon, and if we are not providing any signal, then how you will be able to take trade. Okay, so our last trade that went positive, very nice. All we have just make a slight change, and that was the time frame. So guys, now see, if we would have opened a trade for 2 minutes, there was a possibility that that can go into the negative side, but we just make a change, we just switch it to 3 minutes and the trade went positive. So let's see if we are going to get the same results in the coming trades also. मंथली 15,000 अर्निंग के लिए कितना इन्वेस्ट करना पड़ेगा? संतोष जी, दैट इज कम्प्लीटली अप टू यू. इफ यू आर मेकिंग अ deposit of 2000, you can use it wisely, or like that can be used as the stop loss for 2.5 days, and if you keep your take profit 800 or 700 800 or 1000, you will be able to achieve 15,000 very easily. All you just need to hold on your trading psychology also, that if you are facing some losses, that doesn't mean that you have to recover right away. Stop for some time, take a deep breath, come back tomorrow and start again. Between ROC 14 and ROC 7, which one is faster? Douglas ji, 7 is going to be faster, 14 is going to be a bit slower, but we are going to wait for the signal from both of them. We are not going to work on only one. Price action is really work on it. Aniket ji, if you have a great hold on price action on indexes, you can use it. It works. And it's not only about the like you can use only on for the price action in a single manner. You can use it along with any strategy. As you might have observed that in the past I have taken some trades, and I have already mentioned that this trade might go into the negative side. The reason behind that, there was a support or resistance level. Let me show you one example of that one. I believe gold was the one where I have already mentioned. No, not that one. Let me check if I'll be able to find that one. Of course, I would love to show that. There was one trade which I have opened, which was very near to this resistance level, and I have already mentioned that that trade will go into the negative. Reason behind that was very near to the resistance level. Okay, so too much volatility is there. Market is okay. Let's see if this trade goes positive. This one is almost on the edge. The market is trying to hold the. Santosh ji, I am so sorry. There are so many comments, so I have missed them, but I'm sure that you have got the opportunity, you have got the hold on the strategy. Okay, so price action really up ho gaya. Mian Tasbil, I'm so sorry, I missed. Arham, I'm so sorry again. For the diving strategy, which is the best amount duration to use? Mr. Douglas, for this one, if your chart time frame is 1 minute, you can consider the trade time frame for 2 to 3 candles. Why I'm stating in candles? If chart time frame is 1 minute, so 2 to 3 candles means 2 or 3 minutes. If I'm switching the time frame from 1 to 2 minutes, then of course the 2 candles is going to be 4 minutes or 3 candle is going to be 6 minutes. If I just change the time frame again to 5 minutes, so again you can multiply it. But I'll suggest do not use this strategy for lesser than 1 minute, because that will be a bit risky, because the shorter the time frame, the higher the risk can be there. Okay. Okay, so how to do? Ashutosh Maurya want to ask how to do future signals. Sir, please try to explain your doubt. I am not able to get that one. Okay, Vishal want to say also look for SMA line. If SMA line is down, don't trade up. I observed. Sir, SMA is going to also give you an indication that what is the can be the direction of the market. But see, if the SMA is down, so of course these are the candles will be either intersecting it or on the bottom level or on the bottom side. Let me show you some examples. Like see, in this one the SMA is going into the downward direction and market is going into the downward side. So when you will find that the candles are on the upper side of SMA, market can go upward side, downward side. On the bottom side of the SMA, market can go into the downward direction. And one last piece of information, guys. In this strategy, most of the time when I am using this strategy, I am always using this strategy on reversals. I mean to say either reversal or on the basis of intersection. Like just imagine that if I will find one candle just below the SMA line somewhere on this level, then market can go into the downward direction, so I might take a trade in the downward. But if I'll find this candle, of course I am going to take a trade in the upward direction, but I will not be taking trades on the candles which are in between. By that I mean to say that if the signal was formed on this candle, so I will not be taking trades on these candles. I will be avoiding trades on such candles. So whenever there is going to be a new intersection or interaction with between candles and SMA, then I'll be opening a trade. Okay. Can we employ trend line with this strategy? Mr. Douglas, trend line can be applied with this one also. That is the reason that I have mentioned that a trend line can be applied, or apart from that you can also apply the support resistance. But in this one, if you will be applying the trend line, you are also going to wait for the trend change and then you are going to take a trade. Now just imagine that if you are going to apply a trend line on this one, the trend line will be stating that market can go into the upward direction. Okay, but when the trend changed, you will be opening the trade on this candle. As I have already mentioned that avoid taking trades on these candles. So even though if you have drawn a trend line, I am not sure that whether you will be able to get something out of it. You can apply it if you find some better results, because see, as I have already mentioned that every trader is having their own trading style. Okay, so guys, I hope you you like the session, you understood the strategy which I have talked about. In case if you will be having any doubt, question, query, make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of it. In the upcoming sessions, of course, we are going to talk about new strategies, and you can scroll this session back in the backward and check this strategy again, learn everything. And before using this strategy, guys, a request again, make sure you use this strategy on your demo first. Once you will be able to get a hold on that, only then take it to the live. So guys, thank you so much for being such a lovely audience. Thank you so much for such an interactive session. I wish you a great day, successful trading ahead. This one your host Kunal Kapoor. Thank you so much again. Take care. Cheers. Bye bye.